Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be recapping the price action from Friday, May 29th, where I took this 10 a.m. long on YM that I've been maybe a little bit too greedy with my take profit, and it was missed by 12 points. Really unfortunate. And um, this was supposed to be a 3-hour setup, which looked really promising after the news at 10 a.m. My initial take profit was around here for a 2-hour or something like this. And I got stopped out basically at the end of the day for about a 1.8-hour trade. So overall, I'm grateful for this, but yeah, I've been maybe just a little bit too greedy today. So looking at the daily chart, and I'm gonna start on NQ, even though I took the trade on YM to do it like I used to. So from the daily chart, we had this really nice C2 posted, delivering from a daily fair value gap. Let me zoom in so you can see better. So we had this daily fair value gap. We tapped into, we got a really nice reaction off of it. We got a PSP. So everything was looking pretty good. We had, I think, yeah, we had SMT with the Monday, Tuesday candle. So I was just looking for buys basically. And coming into 1800, we had this really nice 7-hour gap that we respected. And coming into the New York session, we had this buy-side liquidity pool. So we have this buy-side liquidity pool that basically at 9:30 just got braided. And because on the 15-minute chart, we started opening up gaps. And because of this really large move, I had no other targets for NQ. So I was gonna play YM as the lagging asset to at least these highs here that showed really no failure to manipulate. So we just blasted through them. So I was expecting YM to catch up to both ES and NQ. So now let's switch to YM. And I'm gonna switch this one back to NQ. So what was the setup? Well, we opened at 10 a.m. lower, and on the 3-minute chart, it was quite clearer. So we opened up lower, and we had this really nice PSP here at 10:09 with SMT with this low like this. So I basically had the 10 a.m. Low put in after we closed above this sequence of down close candles. We also had this really nice inverse. So it was initially a bearish fair value gap that got turned into an inversion gap. And my entry was, let me see, on a 1 minute. Oh, it was actually, yeah, it was this 3-minute. So my entry was really close to this 3-minute fair value gap, which I think was it was the 5-minute order block open. So this was a really nice trade in my opinion. We opened up this gap. So we had order block, SMT, PSP, and a gap. We had the lagging asset logic where we had really nice targets. And moreover, I got lucky with the news because I was so close to just calling it a day after seeing about close to an hour of just pure consolidation and nothing happening. And I was just seeing that we were just failing to push up. Every push up was met with a deep retracement. So that was not really something I was looking forward to when trading expansions. But I got lucky here with the news, So the framework was really all right, but I think someone somewhere had some insider information, and we just held price on YM while the other assets just started dumping, possibly to just sync up with the lows that YM took right at 9:30. So all of these overnight lows, I think NQ didn't actually take this, but ES did. So we had a small resyncing there where the other assets also followed through with these lows getting taken. So clearing all of that sell side liquidity. And then we had news and they just started going upwards. But the other assets were just a mess today. Didn't see anything on either ES or NQ. So I was just looking at YM for these buy side targets located here and here. So once we crossed probably about here, like let's call it 51.025, I put my stop to break even, and I just watched the trade go. And yeah, pretty unfortunate. It came 12 points lower than my take profit, and yeah, basically consolidated the whole day. I really was hoping that I would see this trade play out by the end of the day, but we had this retracement, and then we just started chopping into the end of the day. So this is gonna be it, guys. This was a wonderful, wonderful week. I am back. I think I'm more, actually. I think I'm probably like plus 1.5. So I recouped everything I lost the previous week, and I think I'm up about 1.5 R, which is really, really great for my mental and the overall account balance. So yeah, I'm gonna think for a lecture this weekend. But if you have any suggestions, please just feel free to write them in the comment section down below. And this is gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed these types of recaps, please don't hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.